Imagine coming home to clean floors without lifting a finger. Robot vacuums are smarter, faster, and more powerful than ever. These smart devices offer hands-free convenience, advanced navigation, and powerful suction to tackle daily dirt and pet hair. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 best robot vacuums on the market. All product links are in the description box below. Let's dive in. Number 5. SwitchBot K10 Pro. If you're looking specifically for a small robot vacuum, our top pick is the SwitchBot K10 Pro. The bot is very compact, measuring 9.76, 24.8 centimeters in diameter, and 3.62, 9.2 centimeters in height. That pint-sized design packs impressive tech, including intelligent room mapping and the speediest navigation our tester had ever seen. The benefit of the dinky size is that this bot can reach places bigger, bots can't. And on test, we found it navigated confidently around furniture legs and into tight spaces. The dock is also very compact for a self-empty model. The interior? Space is mostly given over to a larger than normal dust bag, which means you won't be bothered by the tiny onboard bin. It's worth highlighting that if you don't need self-emptying, charge-only docks are considerably smaller again. There are, some downsides though. The suction power is low for the price bracket. Generally, you're paying a premium for the small size here. The mopping is also so basic as to be not worth bothering with. The RoboVac just drags a wet wipe across your floor. On test, it also sometimes struggled to clear thresholds of over 2 centimeters. If your priority is size though, this is a solid choice. Our reviewer felt it would be a great choice as an upstairs robot vacuum, away from the tougher challenges of kitchens and living rooms. Number 4. Roborock Cravo Curve. If you have cash to splash and want the best of the best, Roborock is the brand to browse, and we rate the Roborock Cravo Curve as the best premium robot vacuum you can buy right now. This hybrid robot vacuum and mop offers outstanding vacuuming, soaring through all our suction tests and proving more than a match for our reviewers' pet hair-covered carpets. Navigation is excellent, and this bot can also be relied upon to identify and avoid obstacles as required, meaning you can leave it to do its own thing without having to worry about it getting stuck or trying to suction up something it shouldn't. On test, we also found it was great at hosting itself over tall thresholds. The mopping is a cut above average, and the space-age looking curvy dock takes care of the mopping maintenance task, including refilling the bot's onboard tank and washing and drying its mop pads. You will need to supplement this with the occasional deeper clean, but that's unavoidable. An easy-to-use app offers you plenty of control, should you want it. Plus, you can use it for advanced functions, such as a pet patrol mode, where you can ask the bot to find your furry friends while you're out, and even let you talk to them via the onboard mic and speaker. That level of smarts means a high price tag, although our tester felt the build quality and feature set justified it. The Roborock Cravo Curve will deliver if you're looking for an autonomous cleaning solution. Number 3. Narwhal Freo X Plus. Many of today's best robot vacuums are pretty pricey, but if you're on a tighter budget, check out the Narwhal Freo X Plus. Where it shines is its vacuuming performance. It packs 7,800 PA of suction, which is more in line with what I'd expect in a much pricier model than one on the cusp between budget and mid-range. Our tester ran it in a house with 2 French bulldogs and 4 adult humans, and found it got the floors impressively clean, picking up everything from fine dust to larger debris, and tackling hair very well too. 2 side brushes mean it's able to pick up debris on either side of it too. The mopping is less impressive, but still good enough to be a useful addition. For really good mopping, you'll need to stump up a bit more. Other benefits include voice assistant support and a very neat and compact base station. It's not perfect. Our tester found it struggled to follow more specific commands. However, it works fine if you just set it to clean your whole space in the most thorough way possible, so if that's your main plan for it, then it's still a solid recommendation. The payoff of the small base station is that it can't self-empty, so you'll need to take a trip to the trash every time the small onboard bin gets full. It'll be fine for smaller homes or light cleaning, but might be annoying if you're regularly dealing with lots of dirt or pet hair. Number 2. Dream L40 Ultra. Not all RoboVacs can handle the extra challenge posed by lots of pet hair, but one that impressed on this front was the Dream L40 Ultra. This bot was put through its paces in a home filled with furry, 4-legged friends, and rose to the occasion. The impressive suction pulled huge volumes of hair from the carpet, and handled hard floors extremely well too. We had no issues with the hair clogging the self-empty mechanism, and a larger than usual dock dustbin also means you won't need to replace the dust bags too frequently. The mopping is also a cut above average. On test, we found the rotating pads very effective. Great news if you're regularly dealing with muddy paw prints. The Does-It-All dock will take care of refilling the bot's water tank, dispensing cleaning, fluid, and cleaning and drying its mop pads too, meaning minimal hands-on time from you. That might feel like overkill, but if you're planning to use the L40 Ultra regularly, then it's going to save you a significant amount of time and effort. Operating this RoboVac is nice and straightforward too. We found the app easy to use, with useful customization options. And the bot itself mapped our reviewer's home quickly and accurately, then proved reliable at object avoidance on test. 2. This isn't a cheap bot, and while I think the feature set and performance justify the price, it'll be out of budget for some. We have more affordable options in our roundup of the best robot vacuums for pet hair, although be aware that if you want something up to the task, you will likely need to spend a bit more. And a capable robot vacuum could be worth the investment, if you're finding it tricky to stay on top of manual cleaning. Number 1. Eufy X10 Pro Omni. Eufy X10 Pro Omni is the best robot vacuum for most people. This self-emptying robot vacuum and mop checks pretty much all our boxes. The suction power is excellent, pulling all kinds of debris, fluff and hair and fluff out of our tester's carpet, although it did flick larger debris about rather than sucking it up. A problem with almost all RoboVacs. It's relatively quiet in all but its very highest vacuum setting too. With some 2-in-1 RoboVacs, the mopping is a bit of an afterthought, but the Eufy X10 Pro Omni has rotating pads that press down for a more thorough clean on hard floors. On test, it had no trouble at all cleaning a dried-on sugary drink and sticky sauce, automatically choosing the right amount of water for the job. If you want even more impressive mopping, check out the EcoVacs T20 at Nura 6, which has hot water mopping capabilities. The app is easy to use and functions well. Our reviewer was also very impressed with the mapping. The X10 accurately mapped their apartment on its first exploratory outing, as well as the navigation and obstacle avoidance. However, they did note that the Eufy X10 Pro Omni could occasionally get stuck trying to get over high room thresholds. The dock station is a little on the larger side, but looks pretty stylish, and houses the water tanks and extra dustbin that allow this RoboVac to self-empty, and in the case of water, refill, minimizing the need for hands-on time. Overall, an excellent all-rounder that'll suit most people's needs. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.